Welcome back to Hive Tales, your portal to the enchanting world of bees and the golden nectar, honey. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the rich tapestry of folklore and mythology from around the world that revolves around this sweet and mystical substance. So, grab your mead, sit back, and prepare to be mesmerized by the tales spun around honey in cultures far and wide. Our journey begins with ancient Egypt, where honey was considered not only a delightful treat, but also a symbol of life and rebirth. The ancient Egyptians believed that bees were born from the tears of the sun god Ra, and honey was an embodiment of his tears of joy. In their elaborate burial rituals, honey was often offered to guide the souls of the departed to the afterlife, a sweet path to eternity. Fast forward to ancient Greece, where honey was revered as the food of the gods. It's said that the Greek gods themselves, including Zeus and Apollo, feasted on ambrosia and nectar, which many scholars believe were symbolic of honey. In Greek mythology, the nymph Melissa, whose name means bee, was believed to have discovered the secret of collecting honey, making her a hero among both gods and mortals. Honey's mystique extends beyond ancient civilizations. In Norse mythology, the legendary Mead of Poetry, a magical elixir, was brewed from honey. This mead granted anyone who drank it the gift of eloquence and poetic inspiration. It was so precious that it became the subject of a great quest, and its theft led to many epic tales. In Hinduism, honey has a special place in the practice of Ayurveda, where it is used both as a food and a healing substance. It is believed to have properties that balance the body's energies and promote overall well-being. Honey's sweet, soothing qualities are celebrated in the epic Indian tale of Ramayana, where it is mentioned as a token of love and devotion. Throughout history, bees themselves have been symbols of industry, community, and order. The beehive, with its perfectly structured hexagonal cells, has been seen as a model of harmony in nature. In Freemasonry, the beehive is a symbol of diligent work and cooperation among members. Bees' tireless efforts in producing honey have inspired many cultures to value unity and hard work. The ancient Celts, known for their reverence for nature, saw bees as messengers between our world and the spirit realm. Beeswax candles were believed to carry prayers to the gods, and the humming of bees was seen as a connection to the divine. Even today, some modern druids continue to honor bees as sacred creatures. The magical properties of honey are celebrated in various folk traditions. In parts of Africa, honey is associated with fertility and abundance. It's used in rituals to bless newlyweds and ensure a prosperous life. In some Native American cultures, honey is used as an offering to spirits in exchange for protection and guidance. Folk healers and herbalists from around the world have recognized honey's medicinal properties for centuries. In traditional Chinese medicine, honey is considered to have cooling and detoxifying properties, and it's used to treat a variety of ailments. In the Middle East, honey is used in both culinary and healing practices, with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities highly regarded. As we transition to modern times, honey's enchantment endures. It's not just a sweetener but a symbol of sustainability and environmental consciousness. Beekeepers worldwide play a crucial role in preserving bee populations, recognizing the vital role bees play in pollination and the food chain. Honey's journey doesn't stop at the beehive. It's celebrated in countless recipes, from baklava in Greece to barbecue sauces in the United States. It's also a star ingredient in natural skincare products, known for its moisturizing and healing properties. So there you have it. The captivating tales of honey in folklore and mythology from around the world. From the tears of the Egyptian sun god to the magical mead of Norse legends, honey has woven itself into the fabric of human history and culture. It's a testament to the enduring fascination with this golden elixir and the creatures that create it. As we wrap up this episode of Hive Tales, we invite you to appreciate honey not just as a condiment but as a symbol of our connection to the natural world, our ancestors, and the enduring stories that have been passed down through generations. So, the next time you savor a spoonful of honey, remember the ancient myths and legends that have made it a treasure beyond taste. A treasure that unites us with the past and nourishes our future. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey through the world of honey in folklore and mythology. If you enjoyed this episode, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hive Tales for more captivating stories from the hive. Until next time, be enchanted.